Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about how we can declare a constant variable in Go programming language. So the agenda of today's video is like what is constant, and the second is like how syntax declaration of constant syntax declaration in Go programming language, like some constant type like number constant, string constant, boolean constant, and last one is like the block constant variable declaration. So let's move on. The first one is like what is constant. So in Golang, or you can say other programming language as well, like any fixed value or unchanging value or called constant value, or you can say the constant. Like here we mention some example like 1 2 3. It is here is a string type constant or literal mean, and 112.5 is a floating point, true is like a boolean, and go string is like a string literal. So literal or constant. So the value of variable can vary, as we know that in earlier video we discussed about how we can declare a variable. In case of variable we assign some literal value as well in the same video. So in that case we can change that variable value at any time to assign new literal value or any expression value. So as we know that literal are also called constant, so the literal value cannot be changed. So then what is the difference between constant and literal? So we will discuss about it here in this video. So there is only minor difference between both, like literal also called constant because their value cannot be changed. So in Go programming language the value of constant variable must remain same. So here we are going to discuss about constant variable, not literal. So if you want to understand about the literal, so we have created a separate video for related to literals. So now move on the syntax part of how we can declare a constant. So in Go programming language we can declare a constant variable by using the const keyword, for either followed by their data type or without data type. So here we mention some example, like in the first example we declare a constant called text of float type with value 12.5. So and in second case we declare a environment variable of string type with value dev. So in this case we omit the type here. So in this case compiler automatically, or you can say the automatically define the type of this variable based on the assigned value, literal value, or you can say the compiler automatically infer the type based on the assigned value. So then what is the difference between both? This is constant and variable. So there is one thing, like if you are going to declare any constant, then you must need to provide the value, or you must need to assign the value at the same time when you're declaring a constant variable. So in case of variable we can assign it value at later on as well based on our some calculation or other things, but in case of constant variable we must need to define a value, we must need to assign a value when we are going to define a constant variable. So and so other thing, like in case of variable we can change that variable value at any time in the program, but in case of constant, if you declare a constant, then we cannot change its value at later on when we are going to execute our program. So that is the main difference between const and var here. or you can say the variable and constant variable. So here is the number constant. So a constant variable hold numeric value is called a number constant, like integer, float or complex is called type of value. So like here we mentioned two example. In first example we declare a x constant variable of integer type with value 10. So here 10 literal value is called a constant value, as we know that the literal also a constant value, but to declare a constant variable we must need, because in case of literal value we cannot you can say reference it directly. Either we need to assign it literal value to a variable, normal variable or constant variable. In case of normal variable we can change the value of that variable at any time when we are going to execute our program, so that literal value may lose later on if we assign a new value. But in case of constant, when we assign a literal value to a constant variable, then this value means throughout the program the value of this constant remains same, constant variable remains same. Like here we declare a x integer type of with value 10, then when we are going to execute our program with this variable, then the value of x variable remain 10 throughout the life cycle of our program. Same with the variable of constant variable of y. So let's move on the string constant. So in string constant, variable holds string value is called string literal. Like here we taken two example, like here in the first example we declare a product string literal, we specify with type as well, explicitly type mention here string with value mobile, and in second example we declare a constant variable tool with value ppt string type. So here compiler automatically define the type of this variable is like a string based on the type assigned value. So next type of literal is called boolean literal. So in Golang, a constant variable hold boolean value either true or false is called a boolean literal. So here we taken two example. Like in the first example we declare a visible boolean type a constant with value false, and in second example we declare a hidden constant variable with value true. So block declaration of constant variable. As we discussed in the previous video, we can declare a variable in a block with value, so with or without any value. In that case we use var keyword. But if we want to declare multiple constant in a block, then for the better code readability, then we can wrap those variable inside a braces and use the const keyword instead of var keyword. And as we know that if we are going to declare a constant variable, then we must need to define a variable with its value. As in this example we declare a 4 constant variable with their value as well. So that's it in the theory part. So now move on the practical part. So let's move on the playground. So here we already opened the Golang playground. So let's declare some constant variable. So one more thing, like as we can declare a global variable, so same way we can declare a global constant as well. Like here we declare like any visible constant of boolean type. So and in this case we declare a visible uh, constant variable of boolean type, and we can use this constant variable in this package, inside this package as well as other package where we use this package as a sub package. Or so this variable is act as like a global variable here. So we will discuss about the scope of variable later on. So here it's act as like a global variable, and we can use this visible variable inside this our main function or any other function. If we create multiple function inside this package, so we can use it inside those function as well, because this visible constant variable is available throughout this package, as well as if we are going to use this package as a sub package inside the other package, then this visible variable also available there. So related to scope, we will discuss it later on about how many types of scope variable scope in Golang. So here just we focus on how we can declare a constant variable. So here we cover one type of constant variable. Generally you can use uh, any type of name if you want to declare any constant, but if you want to declare a public constant, then the first letter must be the capital. Oh, the best practice is like if you want to declare any constant inside your program, then always use the uppercase letter. Like here we declare a visible variable, so in this case we use all letter in uppercase. So that is the one way to declare a literal. So as we mentioned that there is only one difference between normal variable declaration and constant variable declaration. Like in normal variable declaration we can change value at any time. Like if we are declaring a variable x of integer type with value 10, so if we are going to use this x here, it will print 10. So and later on we decide to change this value to 20, then it will print 20 if we execute this program, because it is possible now this variable x is pointing the literal value 20 instead of 10. So that is the here we discuss two difference. One is difference between the literal and constant. So constant variable, so literal also constant, but they are either assigned, they are mainly either use directly hard code inside any function parameter or variable. But in case of but constant variable is like the constant variable, just we cannot change that variable value later on in our program. Generally here we take the first example. Let's take the second example. Like here we are trying to change the value of this visible constant variable with new boolean type true value, literal value. So here true is a literal value, and here we are going to change the variable visible variable value constant variable value, but uh, as per the rule it may not work. So let's try it. So as you know that here it raise and compile time error, like we cannot declare, or you can say that cannot assign a value to a constant variable. So here we understand the difference between a normal variable and the constant variable. So as we mentioned, in same way we can use different literal. Like here we use integer type and we can use float type as well. If we use decimal value, then it is called a float variable. And we can, sorry, let's first remove this line. So here program again work properly, and same manner we can declare a string literal as well. Generally we are using in our program string constant variable. Sorry, here just we need to use const keyword as we use on with the visible variable. So here we are going to type go. If we execute this program, then it will print false and go, both variable value. So let's little bit simplify it. So as we discussed, like if we want to change this variable x value now to like hello, then compiler may raise and compile time error because we cannot change the constant value. So it is to error. So if we execute this program again, then it will raise and compile error like we cannot assign value to a x which is a constant type variable. So here we done with like to differentiate between the constant variable and normal variable. So let's move on the next part of block variable declaration. Block constant variable declaration. And in last example, as we declare like a block variable, like let's take an example like here we are using name of string and count as like integer. So without assigning any value, if we are going to use these both variable, and it will print their default value, like name is string type or reference type, then string as a default value is nil, so it will print empty. And in case of number, in case of count, it will print 0 because integer had default value is 0. And so I think we discussed about it in earlier video as well, where we discussed about how we can declare a variable. So let's declare a constant block variable. So if we try to execute this program, then it will raise and compile time error. Let's try first. So what is the difference here? Like here we declare the two constant variable, but without assigning any value. As we know that in the statement, like in the first error, they mention like constant declaration cannot have the type without expression, means they need expression or constant value, or you can say the literal value. In case of here we are going to assign a go value, sorry, go, and in case of count we are going to assign 1. If we try to execute this program right now, it worked properly. So let's try it. Yeah, here it print go and 1. So here we again understand the difference between the var and const. Like constant must, if you are going to declare any constant variable, then you must need to define a value, or you means that we need to assign a value to that variable as well at the same time when we are going to declare any constant variable. So that's it in the today video, guys. Hope it may help you somehow. Thanks, guys.